globally we need to reduce carbon emissions. Part of the jigsaw in doing that is the utilization of distributed generation using renewable energy technologies. So more and more buildings and communities are going to become energy generating communities. And in doing so, the reduction of CO2 emissions associated with coal and oil and gas traditional generation is hopefully disappear. But we need an efficient way of managing these new technologies. You know, it's not always going to be the case that you can use energy when you're producing it. When the sun's out, typically most people are away from their homes at work. So we need a way of being able to store that and use it later effectively. So all of these technologies need to be much smarter. And in doing so in an effective way, we need to ensure that the community is engaged with it, right the way through from the planning process to the utilization of those types of systems. We've looked at some of the social issues associated with engaging people with community energy. We have a demonstrator that's going into an existing community in Nottingham, so in the Meadows community, to understand how people are going to interact and engage with energy storage and energy distribution technologies, and hopefully we'll see energy reduction coming off the back of that. And then working with a developer on a new scheme on a brownfield site alongside that, we're looking at from the very bottom up, from an urban planning, a geospatial point of view, how we create communities that can optimize resources efficiently, and that's where we're looking at piloting it at the moment. A number of cities are looking at these types of projects, and we're hoping that the scheme we're doing at Nottingham will become a UK pilot, where other people can learn from this, implement it from a strategic planning perspective, and in doing that we'll help that acceleration moving forward, and hopefully we can get more and more cities involved in these types of schemes. We really are at the beginning of something new, and it's important that we get it right and trial it in a way that engages people, engages the community, engages the developer so they create the right infrastructure to make things run effectively and efficiently.